Alright guys, I'm going to do a review of the good bean. This is the sea salt chip here. It's gluten-free, 5 grams of protein. And take a look at the ingredients. There's the nutrient panel. Ingredients are navy beans. Look at that, eh? Garbanzo flour, quinoa, sea salt. Let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so there it is, opened up. And check that out. Look at that chip there. It's got, you can see all the grains in there. It's all right. Slightly salty, but it tastes kind of weird. It's like a you can definitely taste the beans in there. And then the quinoa's in there, adds a sort of like a slightly bitter taste to it. Other than that, it's all right. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.